We are excited to announce and demo our new student information review and change process. Now you can review your personal information and make a change on one form. To access our new student information change form, please go to apps.ithaca.edu. Once on that page, you will see the IC workflow. Once you're on the IC workflow portal, please search up student or scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. There you will see the student information change form. At the top of the form, you'll see your name and student ID number. You will also find personal information such as your cell phone number, permanent address, mailing address, person information, parent guardian phone number and email information, and your emergency contact information. If I wanted to change something such as parent or guardian phone number, all I would have to do is delete the current phone number and type in my new one. Once you've changed any aspect of your student information, make sure to press the Submit button at the bottom of the page. It is important to keep your information current with the college so we can share important information with you efficiently.